All right, so one of our giant ficus trees in the greenhouse fell over, and really it's too big, and that's the reason it fell over. Needs to be repotted. It's too heavy to pick up right now, so what's the solution? We're gonna chop it. So this is gonna look brutal to you guys because I'm gonna be cutting off almost all of the leaves of this Ficus benjamina, but they can handle it. We've done it before with these big ficus where we've cut them back to nothing essentially, and they just bounce right back and regrow. It has to be done because it was too big. And then in the process, probably tomorrow, we'll repot the thing. All right, so here we go. Let's start chopping. I'm gonna try to leave these branches, and that's where it's gonna resprout from, are these lower branches. Watch out! Yeah. Wow, you're so strong. Bless you.
Daddy, did this go down?
It sure did.
It's a big one.
I got one more huge one I gotta get to over here. A couple little ones. Stuck. Oh, that's a big one. There's a fountain under there. Don't worry, buddy, you're safe. Oh boy. Trying to get this out of here without breaking everything else. Look at that. Mucho bettero. I bet I can stand it up now. I still gotta trim it a little. See how big this thing was? Okay, now I just gotta make it look pretty. As in make it look ugly, but symmetrical. That way when it regrows, it'll be pretty. Oh, sorry. You know what? Let's take it. I'll leave the rest. It's hideous, but it'll be pretty again. I promise. Unfortunately, Assistant Sawyer is not here today, so I have to drag these branches out the door. We'll deal with that later.